So let me show you how I got my two oversized couches down here into the rec room using a KREG pocket jig. So both of these couches were upstairs in my living room, and we had decided that it's time for a change and we wanted to move them downstairs. The only problem is that we found out that they're a little bit bigger than normal and they wouldn't fit through any of the 30-inch doorways that we have in our modest little bungalow. At first we were going to remove the legs, but we found out that they were screwed, glued, and bracketed into the couch and they really weren't removable. So what I did was I took a saw and I cut the legs off of the back of the couch. That way it gave us enough room to get through the doorways. So then all I did was I used my KREG jig to reattach them. And if you're interested in getting one of these super handy KREG pocket hole jigs, it'll be linked in the description below. So there we go, solid as can be. And if a person wanted to, they could put some dowel up in there and finish it off nicely, but because this is at the back of the couch for me, it doesn't really matter. Out of sight, out of mind. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications. And we'll see you next time.
Kiss the good life, good, kiss the good life.